This tutorial shows the step-by-step instructions for this lesson in the Omega Learning Guide. At the end of this lesson, your job should look something like this. To begin this lesson, select the Border tool. Click and drag the tool to create a border. Enter 13 for the height, 12.5 for the length, and 0.3 for the thickness, then click OK. Click File, Library. Navigate to the Library sample folder and select the file manwoman.gca. Clear the Keep Layers checkbox and turn on Current Layer. Click Import to bring the graphic into Composer. Click the Circle tool. Position the crosshair anywhere on the work surface. Hold down the Control key and create a circle of any size. When you are finished, select the circle with the Selection tool. Give the circle a diameter of 10 inches using the Absolute Size option. Select the graphic and the circle. Click Arrange Justify. Choose the center and middle Justify buttons, then click OK. Move the circle and the graphic into the approximate location, slightly lower than the center of the border box. Select the Toes tool. Click anywhere on the work surface to activate the toolbar. Choose Helvetica Medium for the font and enter 1 for the height. Click on the work surface and type Restrooms, all in capital letters. Turn on character spacing and increase the space between the letters. Move the text so it is positioned between the top of the circle and the border. Click Select All. Click Arrange Justify and choose the Center Justify button, then click OK. Click Window, New Window, then click Window, Tile Vertically. Click anywhere on the right-hand design to activate the window, then click View, Wireframe, Vinyl Colors. When printing with foils, it is recommended that you use only one vinyl color in the design. Currently the job is a cut vinyl job. The border is white, which is the default for newly created shapes. The graphic is black. Click Select All and click on White 220 to assign white to all shapes. Notice that the outline in the right-hand window is now all white. Click the Refresh Job Palette button to update the job palette to only include the currently used vinyls. Select the right-hand window and click View, Filled, Design View. Click anywhere on the left-hand window to make it the active window. Move the pointer down the Spot Color palette. The color names are viewed on the left side of the status bar. Click and drag Intense Red inside the circle of the Wireframe View window. Release the mouse to set the color. Select the right-hand window and click View, Redraw. Select the graphic and the text in the left-hand window. Scroll through the swatch colors and click the Intense Blue swatch. Select the right-hand window and click View, Redraw. Select the graphic in the left-hand window with the Selection tool. Click Arrange to Front to move the graphic in front of all other objects in the job. Use the Color Selection tool to select the inside line of the border. Click the Fill tool from the Toolbox toolbar. The Assign Colors dialog box will open. Choose Clear from the Fill Type box and click OK. Now select the outside line of the border. Click the Fill tool and choose Solid from the Fill Type box. Click the colorless down arrow and scroll to find Intense Red and select it. The preview box displays red. Click OK to return to Composer. All newly created shapes are assigned cut lines prior to coloring with foil colors because the job is assumed to be a cut vinyl job. Wireframe Cut Print Colors uses 3 colors to distinguish how shapes will be handled when sent to a printer and/or plotter. Look at the design in the Wireframe Cut Print Colors window. When nothing is selected, all shapes appear with green outlines, which means each shape will receive a printed fill color and be cut out. To remove cut lines, first click Select All, then click Arrange Cuts Off. The Wireframe Cut Print Colors window now only shows red lines, meaning print shapes only. Select the graphic with the Selection tool. Click the Stroke tool from the Toolbox toolbar. The Assign Colors dialog box will open. Choose Clear as the stroke type. Clear Fill will allow the vinyl color to be the fill, in this case, white. Set the stroke width to 0.05 and click OK. Save your file as manwoman.plt when you are finished. This concludes this lesson. Be sure to check if there are any exercises or tip videos associated with this lesson before continuing. For more information on this and other topics, please consult the Omega Help file or press F1 in Composer.